A curfew has been imposed in Nannyville, St. Andrew after 2 men were killed and a police officer injured in a little over 24 hours. The police have linked the upsurge in violence to rival gangs which have been wreaking havoc in Nannyville and surrounding communities. More in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
The usually vibrant Nannyville community tense Sunday afternoon. Police officers on alert. This is hours after a curfew was imposed in the community.
This is expected to continue to at least 6 p.m. tomorrow evening. We will be seeking to find some men who are said to be involved in these incidents within the community and outside of the community.
The curfew is in response to several shooting incidents in the community between Friday and Saturday night. In the first incident, the police say 26-year-old Raheem Panton, who is believed to be part of the Ashanti gang, was shot and killed by thugs from a rival gang. Then, in what the police described as a reprisal attack, 43-year-old Kimani Reese, otherwise called Itamar, was killed.
The police responded to both incidents in a significant way. And while we were there in the community seeking to bring about calm, they were viciously attacked by men as they tried to attack each other continuously. Police came under heavy gunfire, and in the process of this, one police constable was shot and injured, as also a member of the Nannyville community who is not seriously injured.
Commanding officer for the St. Andrew Central Police Division, SSP Marlon Nesbeth, says the police officer is in hospital in critical but stable condition. In the meantime, he's urging residents with information to come forward as they seek to ensure calm in the community. As for what is driving the upsurge in violence in Nannyville,
while there was not much reported activities within Nannyville in recent weeks, the police have always had to pay particular attention to that area based on the notoriety of the players involved in the gangs there, to the extent that we have had unreported case of shootings on several occasions, and importantly, these gang members operate significantly outside of that area, perpetrating very serious crimes.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.